Hello everyone. I want to tell you today how to see when your Ford tractor was made, especially the 1000-year series. So 2000, 4000, 3000 as well, 5000, and so on. So you can see over here, this is driver's side on the right side. All right. You can see over here 4G 4B, which is the middle one of the three numbers, because this one I'm having my finger on, this is the serial number. So the middle one you can see. So the first four, this is the production year, so 1974. G stands for the month, so G is July, because A is January, B is February, and so on. The next four is the day, so 4th of July 1974. And B, this stands for day shift. A is morning and C is night shift. This is really interesting to see. Tractor was made 4th of July 1974. And actually I couldn't make a start up because the battery is low. I hope it will improve for the next time. And so yeah, thanks a lot for watching.